At 12:33 a.m., the Syrian airplane landed in Baghdad on the runway facing Gate 33 in the Samara arrivals hall. 3 MQ-9 Reaper drones entered the Iraqi airspace at various times: 10:30 a.m., 11:30 a.m., and 3 p.m. The air traffic control tower recorded the drones as observatory drones only. Flight number 501 was delayed for nearly 3 hours. The aircraft once again prepared to take off, heading towards Baghdad with 156 passengers on board. At 12:39 a.m., the airplane doors opened for disembarking. This coincided with 2 vehicles entering through the K1 gate designated for cargo. The 2 vehicles parked by the plane. Then, 2 members of the team climbed on board the aircraft: Muhammad Rida, an officer in an Iran-backed militia, and Hassan Assadi, a militia general. Soleimani was the last to disembark, wearing a face mask and a hat to conceal his identity. Iran's man in Iraq, Abu Mahdi al-Muhandis, was waiting for Soleimani in one of the vehicles. The drones targeted the vehicles using 3 Hellfire missiles, killing everyone.